friends, today I'm doing unboxing of the North Face Metropolis Parka, the woman's Metropolis Parka in color minimal grey. So I got it on Amazon. It came in packaging like that white bags, and then I remove it. It came in this cellophane and it says new, the North Face Women's Metropolis Parka Minimal Grey XX Large. Yeah, so let's open it and see how it looks. And this coat is really lightweight. Seems like super light, and seems like it's very lightweight, like my H&M coat. So I don't know if it's good or bad, because some people like when the coat is more dense and more weight to it, and some people like lightweight coats. I think I like more lightweight coats than heavy, and I like this color because this is not actually grey, but it's more like lilac, like slightly lilac, but it has some grey color hues, and in this lighting might be not so visible. So I got it on Amazon. This time I got 2 sizes bigger than last time. I returned the size large in the size renewed, and I've got already refund. It's only 3 days, and the refund on the renew site is really fast. So I've got this one on Amazon to see if I will like. This is size X large. No, XX large. I see one thingy here. It's a small thingy. It's not the feather. It's, I don't know how it's called. Thread, I think. So this coat looks like this. It has the North Face here, North Face logo, which is like sticker kind, not the embroidered kind, and the same is on the back. This famous snap-on hood, and this one I can tell is, oh, actually it's not too bad yet. See, but I don't wanna play too much with it. I don't wanna break it. Seems still fine, not unplugging easily. Next thing, it has this warmer material on the collar and here near zipper. Next thing is the pocket, inside pocket here, which is not big at all. Kind of small, but actually it's bigger than my other coat, so it's not bad. Let's see. Oh, it's original. Let's see the tags. Yeah, so it has these tags here and here and here. It's nice. The North Face. And here it says something. And here are tags. It comes with shell is 100% polyester, lining is 100% polyester, filling 75% down and 25 waterfall feathers. So 25 is down filling. No, 75 is down filling. This coat doesn't have here cinching on the bottom. Which is not that good. Has double zipper. Vision YKK Vislon. It has 2 pockets. Here is the tag. Here's the tag. It says slim fit. North Face. Recycled materials. What else? Yeah, all of that. And responsible down standards. Here. The sleeves at the end looks like this. Oh, and it has 550 filling, which is embroidered right here. And to me this coat seems a little bit cheaply made. It's not as puffy as Nupsy. It's thinner here. It's lightweight and thin. Maybe it will be warm enough, but the layer seems not to fit all this down, but maybe it's enough to make it warm in the cold temperatures. Hope so. The zipper is plastic, which some people complain that past models had a metal zipper and this one is plastic. The hood has plastic snaps, which is also cheaper made than before models, like Metropolis 2 or 1, although one seems substantial but doesn't have any fur. Okay, I will try it on. So the coat looks like this. Let's zip it. So it's like this. It almost to the knees, which is good because I wanted longer one. It has also forgot to mention that this model has here. It has a line. It has cinching here, but it is just, it cannot be cinched by you. so it gives some shape. Actually, now I feel warm in it. And here it is how I look. So this model in Colombia I wear size X large, but here I sized up to XX large, and it seems slightly bigger because it has longer sleeves, and here I have some space, for example, on my hoodie. So weird because I like to wear hoodies under coats. That's why I like bigger ones. So yeah, that's how it looks. And I show you how it looks in the mirror. So here it is in the mirror. So as you can see, it has a weird design because it's here cinched, and then it's making it a little wider on the bottom part. So I'm not sure, I might look fatter in it. Little than in other coats that are straight and more fitted in the bottom, because this one seems like it's a little bit loose here, and then the air doesn't, the air flow inside, so in lower part might be warm for me. Cooler. So I'm not sure if I like it about this coat. Yeah, because maybe it would be better when it would be this way. Or this way. Maybe the size is too big for me, and I should get X large, and it would be more fitted, but then it would be tight in here, and I don't like tight coats. And this part, see this part, this coat is already tight because I have troubles zipping it. Slightly tight, so we make it really tight here. So here not any scarf can go inside. That's weird. If I want to wear scarf inside, I have to unzip it. And then let's see how the hood looks like this. So it reminds me of Colombia Pike Lake coat, something like that. Or lake something. Peak lake, I don't know. So yeah, now I feel warmth in this. Yeah, so it looks like this. Too hot. I take it off because I'm really hot. So if you consider buying this parka, I recommend it just be aware that the lower part doesn't cinch at the bottom, and this part is narrow on your neck, and the snaps in some models are really easy to come off. In this one, not yet. So yeah, that's my unboxing of today. Winter coat from Metropolis. I mean from the North Face Metropolis. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one.